it's boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Coffee Machines. Today we're doing Cup of Allergy, which one thing comes to mind is I do have an allergy, seasonal allergies. I don't have any other specific kind of allergies. Comment down below what kind of allergies you have. I mean, my dad also has seasonal allergies, but my dad is specifically allergic. I'm talking about my biological dad. Some people might know I live with my stepdad. Let's try that again. So my dad, my biological dad, is allergic to lawn cut grass. And some people might not know that I have divorced parents. I live with my stepdad, I live with my mom. No, let's not be stupid, it's green. Like fresh cut grass, my dad can't be near. It's strange, itchy, like my skin is no longer mine, crawling with sensations that shouldn't be there. My throat tightens, swelling, turning each breath into a struggle against something unseen. I feel my own body betraying me, as if I'm being unmade from the inside out. And I already got a brief look, but I don't know how to describe this, truthfully. The name of this, because the only description I have, it's basically patchwork. It's a patchwork pig. And that's all I really have to say. What does the animation look like? Do you need something? My college machine is right there. So as I'm doing this, I always look at mouth movement, because that's the only thing that really changes is mouth movement. And some of them, the animations when they're talking can be concerning. But yes, that is my long play with the Cup of Allergy. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.